Assalamualaikum, my dear friend. Today we are studying about for noun. What's noun? Noun is a word that describe a person, place or things is called a noun. Example: chair, home, car, school, book, pen, mobile. Types of noun: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. Common noun. Example: chair, fan, computer, mobile, book, home, car, bike, door, TV. It is called common noun. And proper noun. Example: Pakistan, Army Public School, Karachi, Hyderabad, and etc. For more videos, subscribe my English grammar. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribe. Thanks.